Hi there, my name's Roz and I am working with the guys here at Cochrane & Co. I'm here to talk about the hair replacement systems that we work with within our salon. Up until now, we feel there has been a certain amount of taboo associated with the wearing of systems. When clients come in to have a system fitted, we aim to make the experience as similar to when someone comes in for a regular haircut. My first client today, he wanted to wear the system as a fashion accessory as opposed to wearing it constantly before coming in for a refit. The systems are 100% human hair. I've got a few highlights through and a few darker pieces through. There's a real sense of camaraderie that goes on within our salons, not only from the staff here, but also from the other clients that are having the systems. It helps to make new clients feel really comfortable. One of the things that makes me really passionate about hairdressing, you get to see clients feeling better about themselves than when they did when they first came into the salon. With hair replacement systems, this feeling is tenfold. We manage to give our clients so much more than just a regular haircut.